Hello everyone, welcome to Steno Aspirants. I am Akshay Verma and I am going to dictate you a legal passage of 500 words at the speed of 100 words on Surat Court's judgment. So be ready. 30 seconds. Start. This makes the gravity of such crimes greater and giving him a reduced sentence would send a wrong message to society. The court said in its order, stop. The fact that the alleged defamatory statement was made has been proven beyond any doubt, the court said, adding that it rejects Gandhi's argument of possible tampering with the CD containing his speech. Stop. The court also said the case was based not just on electronic but oral as well as documentary evidence to stop. Under Indian law, defamation is both a criminal and a civil offense. Stop. If a person is found guilty of civil defamation, they can be asked to pay monetary compensation to the person defamed. Stop. On the other hand, criminal defamation is dealt with under sections 499 and 500 of the Indian Penal Code. Stop passage. Section 499 defines defamation as defined as spoken or written words or visible representations concerning any person intended to harm his or her reputation. Stop. The exceptions to defamation include an imputation of truth required for a public good or the conduct of any person touching any public question or expressing opinions on a public performance. Stop. Section 500 of IPC prescribes a maximum jail term of 2 years, fine, or both. Stop. However, courts in India have in the past held that a class of people cannot be defamed as a class. Stop. It has also held that an individual cannot be defamed by a general reference to the class to which he belongs. Stop. However, courts have also held that an individual can show that even though the statement reflected on a class of persons, he or she was the person it was aimed at and therefore defamed. Stop passage. An Old English case explain this. Thus, if a man wrote that all lawyers were thieves, no particular lawyer could sue him unless there is something to point to the particular individual, which there is not here. Stop. Similarly, Indian courts have also asserted that in order to file a complaint of defamation under Section 500 of the Indian Penal Code, the person must be an aggrieved person who felt hurt or pain because of the defamatory statement. Stop. However, an individual representing a group cannot maintain a complaint against any individual or unidentifiable or indeterminate group of persons. The Andhra Pradesh High Court held in a case in 2018 versus Radha Krishna and 6 others versus Council. Stop passage. The Congress welcomed the statements of opposition leaders condemning Rahul Gandhi's disqualification from Lok Sabha and said it was now time for the party to take on the job of building the opposition unity in a systematic way. Stop. Activists of the Indian Youth Congress and the BJP's youth wing Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha BJYM on Friday clashed here following protests over Rahul Gandhi losing his Lok Sabha membership. Stop. Activists from both sides as well as some police personnel got injured as there was stone pelting a police official said over.